So tired. I need more coffee. The soup, it is boiling. This will be perfect for lunch. I will let it cook slowly. Oh no, what is that sound? The garbage truck, it is coming! I forgot to take out the trash! The bins! They are still by the garage! I didn't put them out! No time, must rush. Rush means run fast! Huh? Snow? Wait, what? So cold! This jacket, it is thin. Very thin. Not warm enough, but no time! Hey, wait for me! Please stop! No, I missed it. Gone. The truck is gone. Too late. Now I must pull this back. All the way home in this cold. So cold. I am freezing. Freezing! Very, very cold. My body is shaking. Finally, done. Now inside. Get warm. Wait, the keys. No. Where are my keys? Where are my keys? The door, it is locked. I am locked out! Locked out! Locked out, I cannot get inside. Keys are inside, I am outside. Wait, the soup! The soup, I left it on the stove! The stove! I can see the stove! Still on, the soup is boiling. If it burns, smoke, maybe fire! This is an emergency, a very big problem! Ring, ring, but nobody responds. Respond means answer. Come to the door. But nobody comes. Yes! Take that! Go, go, go! Ah, family day, no school, warm bed. This is the life. Ugh, so cold outside. Jack! Emma! Open the door! They have headphones on their ears. They cannot hear me. They are distracted. Okay, new plan. Snowballs. I will make snowballs. I will aim at Jack's window. Aim. Point here, throw there. Yes, right on target. That's going to be fun to clean up.
Yes, keep going. So close now.
Nothing, he doesn't see it. He is distracted. Looking at his game, not at me. One more try, Emma's window. My hands so cold, I cannot feel them. Bullseye! That was fun. That's so funny. Ah, much better. Numb. My fingers are numb. Numb. I touch them. I feel nothing. Wait. A ladder. A ladder has steps. I can climb up. Go higher. Heavy. So heavy. But I must try. Okay, I can do this. 1 step. 2 steps. 3 steps. 4 steps. Almost there. Keep going. Oh no, so much snow. Whoa, it's sliding everywhere. It is slippery. Slippery. My hand slides like ice. Not safe. Too dangerous, too slippery. I cannot do this. I need another way. What can I do? Nobody hears me. I am so cold.
Family Day. I hope they like lemon cake. This cake should bring some cheer to the neighbors. Careful now, don't want to slip on this lovely snow. What is that? Is someone... Anna?
Mrs. Peterson?
Anna, what are you doing out here? Oh my goodness, you are freezing!
I am locked out.
Locked out? How long?
Almost 1 hour.
Come up right now. You need to get warm. Sit here, right here.
Thank you. There you go.
How did this happen?
I took out the trash. Forgot my keys.
Oh dear. I will make tea. Hot tea.
Thank you.
All right, let's get this started. There we go. Nice and hot. Careful now, pouring the water. There, a perfect cup.
Oh, this feels so good. Mrs. Peterson, can I use your phone?
Of course, dear.
Michael, it's me, again. I am at Mrs. Peterson's house. Please call back. No answer, again.
Is he at work?
He should be, but my kids are home.
They cannot hear the doorbell?
They wear headphones, always headphones. Gaming, music, they hear nothing. I tried everything, doorbell, snowballs.
Oh dear, that's a challenge. Headphones! Oh, I understand this. Yesterday, our Wi-Fi stopped. My grandson lives with me. Tyler was upstairs, headphones on. But when Wi-Fi stopped,
Oh?
he ran down so fast!
No way.
Like the house was on fire!
He came running for Wi-Fi?
Oh yes, very fast.
No Wi-Fi is emergency for teenagers. Wi-Fi? No Wi-Fi, they came running. Mrs. Peterson, where is your cable box? Cable box? The box outside, for internet.
On the side wall. Why?
Thank you so much for everything. Where are you going? I have an idea. A desperate idea. Wi-Fi. They need Wi-Fi. No Wi-Fi, they will notice. The cable box, where is it? It must be on the wall, somewhere. This is it. The cable box. The internet box. This is the cable box. This brings internet to the house. If I disconnect this, the internet will stop. But I have no choice. I am desperate, very desperate. Sorry, kids. 3, 2, 1. Done. Now I wait. Will they notice?
No! What?
The Wi-Fi! It's down! They noticed!
The router! Check the router!
This can't be happening!
What happened? Is the Wi-Fi down? Jack, Emma, wait! Wait! Jack, Emma, what are you doing? Dad?
Dad, you're home? We thought you went to work!
The Wi-Fi's down. The router looks fine. Something happened outside.
Why is Dad home?
Anna?
Hello, family. I disconnected your internet.
Anna, you're freezing!
Oh my god, how long? Mom, you're blue!
Get inside! You're like ice!
I was locked out.
I tried everything. Doorbell, snowballs.
Michael,
Yes?
you are here, in the house. I thought you went to work.
I was downstairs.
Downstairs? With the remote? You were home? You did not go to work?
I can explain.
Busted. Explain what? You lied to me!
It's not what you think. I was in my man cave,
His special room downstairs.
watching Netflix.
He's in trouble.
Netflix. While I was freezing outside. For 1 hour.
Here, take them. I surrender. Take them. Both. I was wrong. You are the boss. I do dishes. 1 month. No complaining.
1 month? 2?
2 months. 2 months! Yes! 2 months. I promise. And I will always answer my phone. Wait, do you smell that?
What is that? The soup!
The soup! Got it!
Is it okay?
It's gone.
Totally burnt.
Nothing left.
All that. For nothing.
Who is that?
Are we expecting someone? I'll get it. Hurry, Mom!
Anna, you got inside. I went back for my cake.
Mrs. Peterson?
I left it in the snow, but it's still good.
Oh, Mrs. Peterson.
Come in, please come in. Hello, everyone. Happy Family Day.
Hello, Mrs. Peterson.
Hi, Mrs. Peterson.
Lemon cake, homemade.
Perfect timing. Our soup burnt.
Oh, no. Well, cake for lunch then. For the brave mom.
Thank you. That looks wonderful.
Yay, cake!
It looks delicious.
This looks so good.
How did you get locked out?
It's a long story.
A very long story.
With Wi-Fi involved. Wait, Mom. Can you connect the Wi-Fi back now?
Please?
Well, about the Wi-Fi, I have bad news. The cable is broken.
Mom, this is broken.
Not unplugged, broken.
Yes, broken. I pulled too hard. You broke the Wi-Fi? The whole thing? I did not mean to.
But how do we fix it?
This is really broken.
Okay, stay calm. I can order a new cable. Found one. Ordering now. Done.
When does it arrive?
How long? Today?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? A whole day? 24 hours? What do we do? I need my games. I need my phone.
Wow, this is perfect.
Perfect. Perfect?
Yes, a whole day together. A day without Wi-Fi.
No!
What a lovely idea.
Mom, no. Please, no. This is terrible. What will we even do? For 24 hours?
We will talk, play games, be together.
Board games?
Yes, real games, family games without screens.
Without screens.
Could be fun, actually. Well, I should go.
Thank you so much for the cake.
You are welcome, Anna. Enjoy your day together. This is good for families. Good luck.
Thank you for everything.
See you tomorrow.
Don't be sad. It will be fun, I promise. Mom, we don't even remember how.
How to what?
How to do nothing.